Hello all, welcome to my video about RV travel trailer safety and security for new campers who are buying or bought their first RV. I will be going through a list of products that I have personally purchased and found invaluable that I recommend you consider looking at or buying. You are going to need a brake controller if your travel trailer has brakes. Meet the wireless brake controller by Kurt Products. I love this product and feel it is a better solution over the wired brake controllers. It is easy to install on any vehicle. Plug and play. No installation necessary. No drilling, no dangling wires, no wasted space. It just plugs right into the back of your tow vehicle. If my tow vehicle breaks down and I need to tow my camper back home with a friend's truck, I do not have to worry if they have a brake controller wired into their truck or not. I can just take this right off my tow vehicle and plug it right into there. Seriously, this product. Check the video description for a link. Get towing mirrors that clip onto your existing side mirrors. If you have a truck that already has extendable towing mirrors, you do not need this product. But if not, or have an SUV, get these. They will help you see around your travel trailer much easier and change lanes safely. A good wireless backup camera is essential for any RV. A lot of people on forums will bash others as having no skills if they need to rely on a backup camera to back their RV into a space. But honestly, it saves a lot of time backing your vehicle up. And it is not just used for that. It is also a great way of seeing behind your RV while you are driving to make sure no one is riding your tail, and it also helps a lot to monitor blind spots while changing lanes. If you have a tow-behind camper or travel trailer, chances are it did not come with a tire pressure monitoring system. If not, one, and you especially need one if your camper is a single axle with only 2 total tires. Having a tire on your camper blow out or go flat on the highway is a recipe for disaster. With a tire pressure monitoring system, you can get multiple alerts and take appropriate action. I went through 3 different tire pressure monitoring systems off Amazon, and to put it frankly, they all sucked, before I found one that works great and does not break the bank. What is nice about this one is that it can charge and run off solar, or with a 12-volt plug in your vehicle. Some are solar only or 12-volt only, but this does both. Most importantly, this one will monitor up to 87 pounds per square inch of pressure. A lot of the other ones only go up to 50 or 60, and my camper's tires are made to be 65 psi. Link to this one is in the video description. Now, we are moving on to security for your camper and how to thwart potential thieves. Okay, this one is huge. Check the keys for your storage compartments on your RV. CH751. If so, you have a generic key that more than 60% of other owners have to unlock their own storage compartments. Yeah, that is right. Go to a campground and 6 out of 10 other people there can open up and steal things from your storage compartments. You absolutely need to get these locks changed out as soon as possible. Before buying replacement locks, check the key to your camper's main door. Is it a purple key that says Global Link on it? If so, you have the Global Link lock system, which is great, because you can get them keyed alike to use one key to open multiple locks on your camper. You just need to buy new locks for each of your storage doors in the correct size, and order them keyed to your key code that is found on your Global Link key. It will say the key code on the key itself. Taking off the old locks takes only a few minutes with a wrench, and you will measure the length of the threaded area to get the right size, and order them online from RVshops.com. Key to your main key. Now you have locks that are far more secure and safe for storing your stuff, and you can have only one key to open all the locks on your camper, instead of many different keys, which is annoying. They do not have these on Amazon, but I included a link to RVshops.com where you can order these. And on unhooking your camper from your tow vehicle and leaving at a campground or park, or even in your driveway, I would suggest locking up the coupler to prevent thieves from stealing your camper. Your camper is not only worth a lot of money itself, but contains items that are worth a lot of money. Not only the items you put inside it, but also the appliances like the microwave, refrigerator, etc. It is a rolling home on wheels, and unlike your actual brick-and-mortar home, anyone can just hook their truck up to it and take it away in 10 seconds flat. RV theft is rampant because of how easy it is to do for thieves. So consider investing in a good couple lock. Stay away from the cheap ones on Amazon. I will not say their brand names, but stay away from the ones that are colored bright red and yellow. Those have been shown to be lockpicked in 10 seconds by people on YouTube, or even broken easily with a swift kick of a boot. The very best ones you can get are going to be several $100s and made from molded solid steel or solid aluminum. But for a good compromise, I recommend the Trimax couple lock, which I'm putting a link in the description for. This one has really great reviews and feels very solid to me. What I like the most about this one is that you can order a key to like and have one key to unlock multiple locks from this manufacturer. I love this because it means I do not have to use 7 different keys to unlock everything on my camper. The key to like it also comes with a matching hitch lock and secondary coupler mechanism lock. Lastly, I recommend the GPS tracker for your camper. This may sound a bit extreme, but in the case that your camper does get stolen, you will at least be able to track where it is and notify the police. By the time you get to your camper, the thieves may have already stripped all the appliances out of it, but at least you will get your camper back, and hopefully your items too if they are caught. For this, the very best GPS tracker I have found is the Track4 GPS tracker. Why do I say this is the best? Well, first, is the best because the monthly subscription is the lowest amount out of any GPS tracker I could find. Some are really expensive, this one is not. Second, the battery life is amazing. It can go many months without needing a recharge. And third, this is a big one, you can order it in a solar version that is completely powered by the sun. Just put it on top of your camper, and you have a GPS tracker the thieves are not going to be able to easily see or remove, and never have to worry about it losing its charge. They also make a 12-volt wired version if you prefer to wire it into a 12-volt system and not worry about solar. But personally, with how little electricity this thing uses, I think solar is the best option no matter where you live, unless you store your camper in a garage year-round or something. Thanks for your support, and be sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more helpful videos I'm going to be posting in the future. CH751